In this video, I'll show you how to set up email campaigns in Squarespace. First, sign in to your Squarespace account and open the website you want to use. From the main dashboard, open Email Campaigns to access your email marketing tools. Next, create a new campaign by clicking Create Email or the option to start a new campaign. Choose a template that matches the type of email you want to send, such as a newsletter, promotion, or product update. After that, add your email content. Enter a subject line, then customize the email with your text, images, buttons, and links. Keep the message simple and make sure every link goes to the correct page on your website. Now choose your audience. Select the email list or subscriber group you want to receive the campaign. Review the recipients carefully and make sure you're only sending the email to people who have subscribed to receive your marketing messages. Next, review the campaign settings and preview the email. Send yourself a test email to check the formatting, links, images, and subject line before sending it to your full audience. Finally, choose Send or schedule the campaign for a later date and time. After the campaign is sent, return to Email Campaigns to monitor available performance information, such as opens and clicks. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up email campaigns in Squarespace. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.